Hey y'all, it's Bear. Y'all hear those leaves? We got some real wind gusts coming. Hopefully the camera doesn't pick up too much of that. Look here, it's Tuesday and it's lunchtime and it's windy. And this is a good example when a campfire might not be a good idea. I mean, it is really windy out here today, and that's an excellent time to use your camp stove and take a little extra precaution when you're cooking at camp. Anyways, moving right along, look here. I've got buffalo tortellinis for us today. You know, I thought I'd throw this out there as an idea. It's something I do at home with pierogies in the oven, but today we're going to do it with tortellinis, cheese tortellinis, and we're going to buffalo sauce them like chicken wings, and I've got some blue cheese dressing and some carrots and celery to go with it. So there we go, we got our tailgating camp lunch. Now I'm not going to eat this whole bag here, so I want about half of it. So I zeroed out my bowl here on the scale. There we go, half. Well, let's cook. Let's boil up some tortellini. We need a couple cups of water. We'll go to the 20-ounce mark. That'll leave me another 5 or 6 ounces worth of space there for the tortellinis. The question is, can I light a match in this wind, huh? Wow. Let's do it quick while there's a break in it. I think the jet boil will still go, or jet boil, pocket rocket. And today I'm using my pocket rocket from MSR. Great stove for bringing up a boil real quick. We're just about to a boil. I'm gonna go ahead and put the pasta in to conserve some of that fuel. And these pastas have a, wow, 14-minute cook time. Hey y'all, pasta's ready. Let's make some magic happen. Get you down here and in on the action. Man, that's a lot of tortellinis. And we got some Frank's Red Hot Wing Sauce, buffalo sauce. We just want to work those guys around, give them a nice coat. We've got some carrots and some celery sticks. Got some blue cheese for dipping. There's some buffalo goodness. And my grocery store has these little dipping sauces over by their prepared salads and stuff like that for 50 cents a piece. And see, that's why I wanted my fork. Alright. Oh yeah, buddy. That's buffaloes. There we go, hot wing tortellinis, y'all. This is a great option for you if you've, especially for those of you that have gone vegetarian, but you miss your hot wings. This is where it's at, y'all. Look here, we'll see you on the trail. Hey, Bear. Can't talk. Hey, y'all, it's Bear. Look here, real quick. A little side note on why we should always have a little first aid kit with us. I've got a Canteen cup injury. You see that? That little handle that snaps on there. When it did, it got my finger. It bit it. So there you go. Make sure you got your first aid kit with you, okay? We'll see you on the trail.